Hello everyone, it's Miriam at Impressive Ideas, and we're here today to show you a book that Karen made with 49 and Market Holiday Wishes products. First, I'm going to show you the products that were used in this book. The Foundation's Waterfall Book is actually made for you, and you're just adding paper and embellishments to it. And she's used the ephemera bits, the postage washi, the tags, the 6x8 collection pack, the laser cuts, the washi tape, and from Minte, the chippies, she uses this window right here. So Karen's going to talk about the book, and here we go.
In starting with the Waterfall Book from 49 and Market, I did remove the clips on it and I used magnets in place. The washi tape is used along here, and I brought it up along the top and cut it so that it was one continuous strip. For the window, I have used Minte's chippies and taken black ink and just rubbed it on there to get it nice and solid, and put a piece of vellum behind the back of it. These are a mixture of laser cuts and the ephemeras, a die cut, and more laser cuts up here. It opens up. Once you open it up, this is all using the 6x8 pad. I love this. Believe in the magic. Here I've taken an extra strip that was left over from the 6x8 pad and made it into a little side envelope almost. And we have tags that just slide right out. And I've used the washi stamp, postage stamp right there. We have another little card, lifts up, home for the holidays. You can put a picture here. You could write some of your favorite Christmas memories. Vellum, love using vellum. So we have another little, oops, it's gotten stuck on there. It's been taken in and out so much. It's something that you could write something on. You could do some more rub-ons on it. This is another little card with a tag in the inside.
And is that deer a rub-on, or is that part of the tag?
This is a tag. Okay. The full set of the tag I did rub on there. All right, another little thing. This is a rub-on right here. You can feel it. You can't tell. They're so seamless. They're beautiful. And just an empty vellum little card. Again, more cards. More vellum. This is actually from the laser cuts. And see how that shows through really pretty from the vellum? And that's just the inside of the 6x8 paper. Again, another little tag.
Are these rub-ons?
Those are rub-ons, yes, absolutely.
Rub-ons throughout the book.
Yes, ma'am. And this just lifts out. This is all rub-ons. And how cute is that?
Great use of vellum.
And some more little slide-in places where you can put some pictures. And then on the last one, I left it open so that you could do whatever you wanted here. You could add another die cut, put pictures here, you could write more memories. Just a fun little book. And at the very end, we have another little card, tag, another tag.
And these are ephemera and die cuts?
Ephemera die cuts.
With the
and here's more of that fabulous washi tape.
Yeah,
in love with that.
Yeah, it's lovely. Well, this is not a class and it is not a kit, but we have all the products to make this. So come in and see it. And if you wanted to sit at one of our tables and make this with the sample right in front of you, we could do that except on the weekends. So have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.